editing time. I hate transferring all the files from this camera, GoPro, on my phone, on the drone. It takes like 1 hour just to move all of that data. Good morning. There's like a lot of scuba divers came here, and of course us free divers, and sauna. What's the tent sauna that I tested last night. I will go swimming and supporting with the dog Lulu, of course. And there's like this festival like 5 kilometers over here, so there's a lot of noise at night. Breakfast is eaten and time to go. It is funny to watch. They have like group stretching going on over there. Looks funny. There came such a big group of those scuba divers which is like learning the stuff, and they stay on the beach, which is pretty small over here. So I went to supporting around the lake or pond or whatever, and it's just annoying. They don't want the dog over there and a lot of stuff, and there's like, I don't know, 25 cars, and many of the cars have like 2 people, so there's like 50 them. So I just wait that the scuba divers go away and the free divers just stay because they are cooler people. Eating myself fat. And I heard that we will stay here another night, so today is Saturday, so we will be tomorrow till the Sunday. And no idea where we are heading after that. Probably to north, to like Pori and Vaasa and something, and then maybe to Tuuri and Tampere and to Skoli or something like that, and Saimaa and Lappeenranta and Käpin over there. Yeah, so I think it's editing time now. I edited 1 last night and now it's probably 4 more or something like that. Once again, more food, or like sit like that. Like 50 euros every day on food, 2 bags, full bags, and I don't know how we have space for that. We don't eat that much, I think. My mattress is so stiff. It is like guest mattress, which goes as a bench on your sofa or something like that. And when I go with my side, it doesn't get like, it's so stiff that you don't go in the mattress at all. So I'm going to buy this small, like 5 to 7 centimeter memory foam, which goes on the mattress thingy. Sijauspatja, petauspatja in Finnish. Anyhow, to make it just a little bit softer and make it easier for me to sleep on my side. And hopefully it's enough, because it's cost more than that mattress. It's 55 euros on discount. That was like 40 euros. But it's memory foam and hopefully it's good enough from Jysk. And it's on the next city, Uusikaupunki, which is like half hour or something away. They go for free dive now, and after that go pick up that, and hopefully I'm gonna sleep better next night. So that's the plan for today, and over there to go Quarry, and probably go watch garden shops. And there's like this one really good one I want to visit, where I like ordered from internet, and I don't wanna buy plants on the car when we have over a week left here. But if we go there and there's something special, I need to buy it and keep it on the car over a week. And yeah, because we don't go to the Åland, Ahvenanmaa, we will save a lot of money, like 400 euros and 200 each or something like that. So I spent that on 55 euros on the mattress, which I will take home on my bed. And when we go with this to travel, I take it with me here. We have like 5 of them. Not memory foam, but normal ones back home. But I need it now for over a week, and I like comfort too much to wait 1 week. And it's better than back my home, so I will use it back home and take with me when I go to travel. So yeah. This mattress was 55 euros, and it's much more softer than this down here, and it's 10 centimeters more wider, so this is pretty cold at night, this metal, so it keeps me more comfier. And I bought like 9 euros pillow and 6 euros from the linen, so together like 70 euros. Again, spending too much money, but this is so much comfier. At least now. Not too bad for 70 euros, I think. And this is second time me filming, because my big brother didn't press the record first time. Only thing that I wish that this was more wider than the upper bed, because it is, and more head space, because this is pretty hard to get away. It's easier to come here than get away from here. I don't usually come from this way out. I bought Magnolia because it was minus 50% half price, so 30 euros, it was 60, and usually it is almost 100 euros. It is hard plant to keep alive on Finland,
but I like challenges. Now we need to keep it like 5 days with us on this van. Then I will leave it on my little brother house and balcony, and hopefully he will bring it back to me back home later on when he visits. So we only stay with it 5 days now, and tomorrow probably on Pori puutarhan paratiisimaailma or something like that garden, I will buy something else like apricots or something. Hopefully I don't spend too much money on plants which will die and take space. We found a wonderful, amazing place on Rauma, but it's like private sign, but nobody seems to think there's like everybody, young people, keeping fun at night and even others camping, so we will camp too.